In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable passcode lock feature on Zangi. So let's get started. Open your Zangi application from your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Zangi, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the settings menu, scroll down and tap on privacy. Inside the privacy section, tap on passcode lock and face ID. Enter your current passcode lock in the text box. Now, on the next page, to disable passcode lock on your Zangi app, tap on Turn Passcode Lock Off button at the very top. Click on Turn Passcode Lock Off in the pop-up and you will then be able to disable the passcode lock on Zangi. Once disabled, the app will no longer prompt for a passcode when opened. Remember that disabling the passcode will make the app accessible without additional security. Ensure this is what you want before proceeding. That is how you easily turn off or disable passcode lock feature on Zangi. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.